Oh, we're making popcorn chicken in the air fryer today. We used flavors that are a little out of the ordinary. Make this popcorn chicken out of this world. Look at that crust. Ah, beautiful, crunchy, crispy, juicy white meat. Well, that's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes, hanging out with my kids. And it's a beautiful morning. We're going to go ahead and start by mixing 1 cup of cream with your favorite hot sauce. We're going to mix it up real well. You can use buttermilk if you'd like also. Works real good. And we're going to add that to a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. And we will cut 3 large chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces to nugget size. It's your choice, however big you want your popcorn chicken. Add it to your Ziploc bag with the cream. We'll add some air to that Ziploc bag. Zip it up. Shake it up good. Make sure all those chicken pieces are covered in cream. Push the air out and zip it up. There you go. Hey, don't forget to put that chicken in the fridge. We're going to let it sit all day. Or you can prepare it the night before. Whatever you like to do. Alright, the day's done. Let's go ahead and pour ourselves a drink. Yeah. Alright, cheers. Okay. Let's start by making the dredge. We're gonna put flour, cornstarch, plain panko, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dillweed, caraway seed, and black pepper. And we're gonna mix this up well. Oh, isn't that pretty? In a new bowl, we'll crack 2 eggs. And we'll add 1/4 cup of cream. We'll mix it up well. Make the cream, add it to your egg wash. Helps that egg stick to whatever meat you're dipping there. We're going to grab a handful of chicken pieces, drain the extra cream, and we'll put them in our dredge. Make sure those chicken pieces get covered well. That'll be the first dose of flavor. We're going to dip them in our egg wash, let the extra egg drip off. Then we're going to go ahead and give it a double dip of that flavorful dredge. And we'll repeat that with the rest of our chicken pieces. Alright, well, preheat our air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And we'll spray that hot basket well with our oil. I use the EVO oil sprayer, works well for me. And we'll go ahead and fill that basket with our chicken pieces. Oil those chicken pieces up real well. Make sure that dredge is wet. If it goes in dry, it comes out dry. Goes in wet, comes out golden brown. And we'll go ahead and cook that chicken at 380 degrees for 10 minutes. Yeah, there you go. We'll use our spatula just to make sure nothing's stuck, nothing was. I use my tongs to flip the chicken over. Give everybody a chance to see the heat. Yeah, you can see a little dry dredge there, so we're going to get our oil back out and just do a little spritz. Make sure everything's wet. There you go. Put it back in the air fryer, 380 degrees for another 5 minutes. Boom. Beautiful, crunchy, crispy, juicy, tender popcorn chicken. Super flavorful. What's up, kiddo? How you doing over here? Doing the dishes already. Good kid. Alright, check these things out. Oh, boy, it sure did make me happy. Ha! Crunch. Mmm. Delicious. Want some more? Ha! Alright, guys. Well, time for me to say goodnight. If you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. If you're interested in this recipe, there's a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it on our website. You can print it off. And you can check out our other recipes too. We got all kinds of fun stuff out there. Have a happy Halloween out there, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.